Oh my. The train can't be this late. Okay, this and that. Okay, we're at the station. I'll pull the lever. Oh my god, the train's here. Thank god, I thought it wouldn't be this late. Stop right there. Before you go into the train, we're going to shoot you and hijack this entire train. Oh no. Not on my watch. Hi-ya. Ow. Hi-ya. Ow, ow, ow. Hi. Ow. Passengers, go all in the train. Okay. I can't get it. I'm in. Okay, everyone's in. I'll continue to find. Hiya. Do not worry, I'm getting in. Hiya. Come on, faster. Hiya. I'll be getting in. I'll be getting in. After him. Let's take our guns to our pocket. Yeah. After him. Let's go before the train leaves. Okay, now that we are in, let's go to the driver engine. The train I meant. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's get in fast. Hey, stop the train right now. Don't play any jokes. Liar. I swear you're lying. This is the evil Brulee chicken. There is a bomb on this train, so I want this train to be wholly destroyed. I want everyone you to die. Now I hope you'll die. Oh, why do we need to board in this train? Oh, this is not good. I want to get off in this train. Me too. It's so scary. Yeah, what should I do? I don't know. I'm scared. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Thomas and friends, there's the problem. There is a nuclear bomb inside the train. If the bomb does not stop going off, the train will wholly explode. I'm at the bell coach. I'll get there. Okay. Where's the bomb? Yay, Shiva's here. Yay, Thomas and Friends is here. Now, where's the bomb? Oh, there it is. It's going off at 99 seconds. I'll tell the driver. Come on, door open. Hey, what do you want? I want you to stop to put a bomb on the train. Like, you can't just even do that. Stop. Shut up. I didn't ask for the menu. Now prepare to die. Not on my watch. How did I even miss that? Get him! I can't get him. Okay, get this kid out of the train. This is the driver of the train. We got a problem here. There is a bomb on the train. If it does not go off, the train will wholly all explode. And it will turn into ashes. Oh, why do we need to board on this train? I don't even get it. We must something to do to not get the train destroyed. Breaking news. We got a problem. There is a train because there is a bomb. So, we hope that the passengers are okay. No, don't shoot at me!
Für alleinerziehenden Schichtdienst etwa, die keine andere Möglichkeit haben, ihre Kinder zu betreuen.
Hey. Oh, what should I do? Is there only way to stop the train? Hopefully. I better call some. Beep, 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 beep. Here. Hey, there is a bomb on the train. If everyone doesn't survive in that accident, the train will explode. Get police, fire trucks, helicopters there. Get the police here. We are on our way. They're on our way. I'll tell the driver. Where did they go? Oh, they must be in here. Let's go. They're not in here. Oh, they escaped. Not good. Uncle. Oh, how do we stop the train, kid? Yes, we can't get the nuke out by ourselves. Think Thomas and Friends. Oh, I could use. Oh, I don't know. I have an idea. I'll use a nuke sector to see if there's a nuke on the bags or not. Hey, now. I'll get in. Oh, there's the bomb. Oh, I'll shut it down. There we go. It's now gone. Hey, everyone. I stopped the bomb. Now the train will explode. Yay! These bastards. Oh no, we're getting thrown out. Oh, not us too. Whoa! I'm sorry that we shoot at everyone. No! Yay! I'll get in the train. Don't worry, everything is under control. Wow, I'm so impressed. The bomb is now gone. Yep, that's right. Well, so I'm going back in the coach. Good luck. Yes, we did it. Okay, attention passengers. We are arriving at the station from now on. Okay, I'll hold the lever so we arrive at destination. Okay, let's get in. We arrived at the station. That was amazing, right? Right. Go to your mom and dad. I'm a robot. I must go in the train. We'll continue our journey. Okay, bye. Bye.
Iberogast, Völlegefühl, Iberogast, Übelkeit, Iberogast, Bauchschmerzen, Iberogast, Iberogast, die Kraft der Natur. Wiederum lesen Sie die Fakten beim Anfang, Sie erhalten Ihren Arzt oder die Apotheke.
Bye bye. Hey, can I pick you up? Yes, take me home. Let's go!